What's going on, my people, man? We're back here with another video, man. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your camera angles in Madden 19. I've been doing this for the past 2 years, and so far it's been successful. I do not know why. People still want to know how to change their camera. You're on PC. I don't know about PC, my bad. About Xbox and PS4. I'm pretty sure you got to use a controller on PC for Madden. If you're using a keyboard, you're just a pussy. But without further ado, man, let's go ahead and head to this solo challenge. Go ahead and head there, show you guys how to do it. Alright, we're back to this stupid ass solo challenge, man. So I went ahead and did an offensive one, so I can show you guys real quick. So hopefully I have a picture of my Sony Vegas, so I can show you how to do it. Show you shit all up close, from like a worm's eye view and shit. You want the bitch from a bird's eye view? That's on you. So on your Xbox and PS4, just the D-pad, if you got, it's the left side of the controller. If you're on Xbox, it's like on the bottom left. You want to do is press it up to just go. Press it down to go up. And bam, however before you want to do it, just do that instead. I just keep my shit about right here, and then man, that's really it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. Any questions, let me know. I don't mind helping you guys out. Follow me on Twitch. We'll be live streaming some of these solo challenges. So hope you guys have a blessed day. I see you later. I'm out.